achieving this Rocketdyne's mission, Slice team, and what are the management practices that they adopted in their real-time environment, in their collaborative team to achieve their mission, and how did they restructure their work and their processes and so as to achieve their mission, and what are the implications for future research and practices and the key takeaways. And radical innovation, something which we think when we imagine two unpredictable components interacting together, bringing about a revolution. That's what something we can imagine when we think of radical innovation. So sometimes old questions require new answers due to increasing complexity. So how do we bring about that radical innovation? That is with cross-fertilization of ideas. You may have one idea and he may have one idea. If you fuse together, you may land up in an unpredictable model that would be so valuable. So this is what we are going to do. We have two breeds which have their own composition and they have a standalone success rate of some X, and they have their own environment and they have a prior knowledge base. That's a process or that's a methodology in which it's developed, and their reactivity. So this breed can be anything. It can be a product or a process, or it can be even atomic. Two isotopes of hydrogen reacting together in a nuclear fusion, or two different breeds of brinjal reacting together to bring about a new gene of something else. So it's so molecular and it has its own characteristics. So if it both fuses together, we may land up in whatever we are destined to achieve, and that's the hybrid product. And here when we see the success rate, the standalone success rate is just A and B. If you fuse it together, you don't know, you may result in a much more greater success.